That's so itchy!
So, in the video, we have the wizard, what's it called?
Weasleys, Wizard, Wheezes.
Yes,
So we have another diagonally set. Diagonally, nocturnally, Harry.
So let's start off. So the first thing is in the movie.
Let's get right into it. Do you remember how you used to say that years ago?
Yeah.
Let's get right into it.
Okay, so the first thing is, like in the movie, it actually does this.
I believe on Amazon you can buy like motorized kits to do this. We'll have to look. If you look, it's like it's your first day or something. Your hand's in the way. We can't see. Your hand's still in the way.
Fine.
Do it from behind.
Fine. There goes to the hat.
That's pretty cool. Like that.
And then there's the sign.
I think. Did they meant to be up or down? I'm not 100%
Let's put
certain.
them up. The lasers.
At least be
shooting the
intruder.
aliens. Exactly. So we've got characters. We've got
Okay, who we got?
boy, go, boy.
Okay, so who are these two?
Fred and George.
Fred and George, obviously.
Whoever they are.
Yeah.
Whichever which one is which. Watch.
And who's this one?
The postal lady.
No, that's Romilda Vane.
Oh. Okay.
Oh.
Is that
That's the postal worker.
Oh, okay.
She doesn't have a name, she's just called postal worker. I don't know why.
A bit rude.
It's a bit rude, isn't
She's
it?
probably called like Bob or something.
Maybe. This one here
Bobolino.
is guess who this one is?
Bobolino.
Oh, Wonnie, I love you so much. Let's have a kiss. Sorry, look away, children, look away.
That one.
Lavender brown, lav.
And there's a sign. Oh, the owl.
And the owl post, because that's the postal worker from the owl post, and there's a post box.
Here it.
So anyway, let's have a look inside.
So there is a weird gun. A weird Hoff gun.
Intruder.
Yeah, it's not supposed to be in there.
What is that actually from, genuinely?
I don't know. It's probably from like the Hoff set.
Yeah, maybe.
Hoff thing. The book.
Hoth set was kicking around for a while. Although it's also near the treehouse, the Lego Dreams treehouse.
It's not.
But that's where I last saw that, near the Lego Dreams treehouse. Anyway, who's this?
That is Ginny.
Ginny.
So here we have some Pygmy Puff.
Oh, Pygmy Puffs.
Here's Ginny.
Oh, and of course, who's that?
That is Ron.
Ron. So let's talk about what we got up here. We got Pygmy Puffs.
Pygmy Puffs.
Yeah, and also cobwebs. Look, goodness, Mummy, clean your sacks.
Yes. And we have Peruvian Instant Darkness Powder.
Peruvian Instant Darkness Powder. That's
Whatever.
pretty cool. Then we got some guy vomiting up some money. No, it's puking pastels.
Puking pastels.
And we got the love potions. That's what Romilda Vane is here for, to slip Harry a love potion, because he's the chosen one. Do you want to do the I am the chosen one, look? But I am the chosen one. Go on, you got to do that. Go on, do it.
No, I can't.
Go on, do it. Go on,
no.
do it. Go on.
I am the chosen one.
That's what Hermione does. You
Okay.
haven't seen the film. Anyway, what else is going on in here? Are we not talking now because of the chosen one, yeah?
No, I'm the chosen one. We have sticky trainers.
Sticky trainers. Oh, so you can climb walls. That's pretty cool.
Basic blaze box.
Yeah.
Whatever that is. We have electric
Shake. Oh, so you like shake hands.
Electric shock shake.
Mhm.
And we have puking more puking pastels.
So what are they then if they're not puking pastels?
They're puking pastels.
Oh, more puking. That's like a giant box of puking pastels. Is that something punching? Does that like punch by itself, or is it probably not?
Probably a punching glove.
Yeah.
There's a cash register. There's boom something. There's those things. Remember those things? Those horn things. Or it's not one of those.
Don't know what you're talking about.
I don't know.
Okay.
To the next building.
To the next building.
The owl post.
The owl post.
Chair. No, it's kind of it.
But there's a little board there with all the lost post stuff they're not going to bother delivering.
Yeah.
Is that it? I think it is, isn't it?
And there's a plunger.
There is a plunger. What? That's probably a bollard. What's this in the window? Oh, that's just fell there. Okay, I was thinking that was something in the window. And the door opens, and there's a Scooby-Doo style. Let's split up and look for clues, gang. I'm turning into that person who does voices from films and shows, aren't I? I need to stop. Anyway, right, is that it? Have we done it?
Daddy,
Is this Weasley's Wizard Wheezes?
look for the clues.
Oh, does it? Yeah. Does this? Should we zoom in so they can see the detail? Can you see? There we go. Yes. It's very interesting. Okay,
Now,
we done?
Weird Hoth gun.
So weird Hoth gun. So welcome back to another video about a weird Hoth gun.
Weird Hoth gun says goodbye.
Don't do it, Ginny.
Now, bye-bye. This is a bye-bye from Weird Hoth Gun's Adventures. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Weird Hoth Gun guys thing.
Okay, right here. We done?
Yeah.
Okay, see you soon, everybody. Bye-bye.
Bye.